Hi guys, it's me here, James, and I am with
Dylan, and today we're going to be doing the alphabet challenge, and we've tried this before and it hasn't gone well.
Not well at all. Like, we laugh our heads off, so we're sorry if we laugh in this, because trust me, we'll just start laughing at like anything, literally. Like, I'll just have to look at him and I'll laugh. So, no offence.
I'm offended, but yeah. Right, so we both got a glass of Coke, which hasn't done much, but we're just going to drink it
And hope for the
and
best.
hope for the best, basically. James is up first. Give it your best
Yeah,
shot.
thanks for this, Dylan. A B A B C. I think it's C. 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 Sorry. A B C E. Oh, bloody hell! Not again. D. E. F. Oh. F A B C D E F G G H E. And over to Dylan.
Okay, so I suppose it's my go because he did absolutely crap.
I will just be back in a tick. Let Dylan take over.
Right, so here's my first attempt. Oh no. Let's start again. A. B. C.
So how far you got with that then?
I'm on C. It's not going very well.
Ah, alright, well, keep going. Oh, I don't know, I don't even want to come anymore.
No, what do I get? Oh, I'm going to start again.
Gurgle, because sometimes that makes you...
No, I'm going to start again. Alright, let's go again.
Hey! Oh, no, it doesn't like the gurgling. A. Oh, really good. Oh, I was not expecting that.
That was good. Right, that's a good start.
B.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! We're getting better.
You make me feel embarrassed now. Okay, so let me try my A and B. A C E.
Oh look! I want D, guys. D for Dylan. This is gonna be the best one.
It's probably gonna be the worst. E. Exactly. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just to let you know, guys, before I forget, we are going to be finding some Bean Boozles. We're going to be buying some, and then we're going to be doing like a Bean Boozle challenge, and then we can get the really sour sweets, like not always sour, but yes, him. I'm going to force him. I'm going to force feed him. You still going on about that? Whoa, Wally.
No,
G- Let me try G. I bet I can do a better G. Joey. Maybe that was a tad off. Tad off. Oh. Was that I? Sound like a E. Sorry, guys, because you did see the last video of us staying up all night. As you can see, we're in the same clothes. We have got changed. Don't worry about that. We have been changed. We've had our showers. We've been at beach and everything.
Right, that kind of wraps it up for this video. Because, yeah, we can't do it. So.
Well, I think you did very well with the A's and the B's.
Alright, whatever.
Stuff the C's and the
Subscribe
D's.
if you're new. Comment down below who you think won, and be sure to like the video.
Yeah, and please put who you think did better out of two of us, because I think I was more funny, and I think he did it better. Be honest with you, I think we're both kind of crap.
Yeah, basically.
So just whatever your opinion is, we still haven't got a mascot, have we?
Oh.
We've got to do that. We've got to find a mascot. I don't know what.
Or I should just have my top quality teddy bear Tigger.
No.
Why?
I Maybe, yeah, Tigger, mascot.
Tigger's epic.
We can have to. Yeah. But what should we call this fellow friend?
Also comment down below what name we should give him.
We could call him the Hopper Rooney. Yeah, just don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm
That doesn't sound right, but yeah. Comment down below what names you think we should give it. Him, her, whatever.
Whatever that thing is.
Right.
Okay, so thanks guys for watching. We will see you all in our next video.
And
we're out.
See you later.